Hi, are you a cookie lover, matcha lover, or both? In this video, I am sharing with you guys my matcha s'mores cookie cups from my website Kitchen & Crumb, which can be found in the link below. Strawberry matcha is one of the best flavor combinations. It was everywhere on my trip to Japan, and if you haven't tried this flavor combo, what are you doing? Go bake up these cookie cups in your kitchen today. You'll thank me. Let's get into it. First, beat sugar and butter with a paddle attachment for 2 minutes until combined, not whipped. Add eggs and mix until combined. I like to do the rest by hand. Next, flour and bicarb. Fold it through until the dough just comes together. Add your white chocolate chips, just because we can, and roll into 12 25-gram balls and place into a mini muffin tray. Press insides to form a cup and bake at 180 Celsius for 12 minutes. Allow cookies to cool for 2 minutes before pressing the inside of the cup back into place. Crush 1 fresh strawberry, or you can use dried strawberry powder, and add it to some melted white chocolate. Spread this on the inside of the cooled cookie cups. Now it's marshmallow time. Sprinkle gelatine over the water in the mixing bowl. While that blooms, boil sugar until it reaches 118 degrees Celsius. And pour on the side of the bowl with the gelatine mixture with the machine off. Then beat until it is a meringue consistency. It should be thick and have stiff peaks. Mix the matcha powder. Do not use your matcha latte powder. Actual matcha powder from an Asian grocer or farmer's market would be best. Fill a piping bag with a star nozzle and stuff each cookie cup with a marshmallow filling. Looking good. Now let's cut into it. Look at all those layers. Click on this video of my Tokyo vlog where I go cafe hopping and show you some must-try Japanese dessert.